All right, in this part, we're going to be learning how to set up your email and user calendars. So, first, we have the email. First question is, where would you like to send your outgoing emails from? So, all of the emails that we have built into the workflows, they're going to be going from this email out to your clients. So, um, this should be a email that has your domain on it, not a free email like at gmail.com or at Hotmail or at Yahoo. And if you want to learn why, I'm going to link this article in the membership area so that you guys can go ahead and read through. But you do want to make sure that it is a email that is your own domain, and you want to make sure that that domain that you're is also connected to your SMTP and Mailgun, and whatever that you've connected is the domain that you're putting here. So if I've connected at getwahi.com to for my mailgun here, I'm going to put an email that is at getwahi.com as well. All right. So and then email call to action. So when we go to in in the snapshot, if you go to marketing emails templates, you'll see this folder holiday emails, and these are all pre-built templatized emails, and you can for your clients, you can clone these and build more templates as well. It's a great starting off point. But basically, what the call to action is a custom value placed on the button. And here we're trying, we've by default we've put that the call to action is going to be to schedule an appointment, but you can change the wording here to be whatever you would like it to be. So whatever you want that wording to be, put that here. I'm going to say book a call, and then the action. So once somebody clicks on the call on that, where are they going to go? I would want it to go to a calendar, so I'm going to go to sites, and I'm going to go to calendars. I'm going to choose the main calendar. Oh, make sure it's connected to a domain. Save. I'm going to choose this one and then come back here, paste it there, and I'm going to put, and then email logo header. So that is going to come in right here as well. And that'll be the header on all of your emails. All right, and to get this link, again, you're going to go to Settings, Media, Open Media Library, and then upload the logo that you want for your email headers here. Once it's uploaded, go ahead and right-click and press Get Link. Come back, paste it here. As easy as that. And when the email is sent, everything is here. It's got the logo. This could be adjusted to be made a little bit bigger. It has your location name, and here you can go and schedule a call. When you open this up, it opens the calendar up right away to allow you to book a call. So now the emails are completely functional. It has your Twilio number on it, and all of the rest of your information, like your website, unsubscribe, and so that's your emails are now taken care of. Now calendars. Okay, so within the snapshot, we have calendars. One main calendar. If you're just one user or you're the main user in the account, you can go ahead and use these ones. The general calendar funnels, we recommend that you guys keep these as your main calendar page. So here, this is by default, the main calendar one is set to be a 30-minute call, but that can be adjustable. And then this is a 15-minute call. If you do need to adjust how long the calendars, the duration and time slots and things, just go ahead and go to the schedule a call with us one. This is the 30-minute one, and the quick meeting call 15 minutes. That is the 15-minute one. This is what we refer to as this one, the schedule a call, is the main calendar. And then if you have more than one user in the account, we have already pre-built individual user calendars. All you have to do is add, you're going to go ahead and click enable service and make sure that you have a user added. Once that user is added, make sure to enable service and you're ready to go. Then the only other thing you need to do is customize with us the values here a bit. Right, so let's see. So when you have more than one teammate, you can use these user calendars to have a separate schedule link for every teammate or employee that you have. They're super, super helpful. This is how we do things at Extendly. Each of us has a different calendar link, so our clients can book specifically with that person when they need to talk. It makes things a lot easier. And then we have one main calendar linked on our website. So that's how we recommend using the different calendars that are in here. And so now when we come back to values, so you can set up the different user calendars for each one. Just make sure you put the name of the person, right? And you're going to upload a image or headshot of this user. To get that link again, you would just upload the photo in the media section and then press get link and then come here and paste it. So when you're all done, this is what your calendar is going to look like. It's going to have the company logo, it's going to have the name of the user and their headshot at the top there. And then they'll be able to go ahead and schedule a call. We also have the request a callback button on all of our funnels, so that anybody needs to get in touch with you right away, they can use this feature, which is super neat. But yeah, that is how you set up your email and calendars.